Sesh.
Feeling something like Rick Moranis, threw up the kid, now he doing damage. You ought to know, like my name's Alanis. Say on me, take a seat, young Christopher Hansen. I don't sweat all day, just a line.
What is up, guys? So what I've got for you today is a challenge video. This is another bot challenge. FIFA Kill put up a video yesterday about a team deathmatch bot challenge, and the whole point is to go flawless and get as many kills as you can. His record was 85-0, and I set out to try to get higher than that today, and I did, but it was only one kill higher. But you know, I really tried my best, and I put a strategy out there because FIFA is the king of movement. He jumps around like a flying squirrel. But you know, I stuck to my my tried and true bot method. You know, just forcing the spawns in certain areas. So like if you see me when I first started out, I jumped right behind the blue car, and then I killed basically the enemy team that came forward, and then I pushed their spawn back, and I killed the enemy team there, and then I pushed their spawn to the other side, and I killed the enemy team there. And the whole point is to try to keep my teammates from getting any kills. So I'm running the Talon, the Wraith, and Raps. I'm running the Talon because I need it to protect me a little bit. I went extra defensive. I didn't use any of the weapon specialists. I just used the kinetic armor because I'm trying to stay alive, and I'm trying to be as aggressive as possible. It took me about 3 hours to get this gameplay footage for you guys. But I think it turned out great. You guys let me know what you think down in the comments below. If you liked the video, hit that like button and subscribe if you're new. See you later.
Black Ops at work. It's a beautiful thing.